What is EB-5? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And no, EB-5 is not the new first name of one of the children of Elon Musk. It is an employment-based green card preference category, the fifth category. I am excited because today I will be presenting at the annual Bridge Alliance Global Wealth Protection Summit, the annual meeting of our Global Alliance, where those who follow my tweets as well as postings for the Morning Musings realize that about a year ago we launched the Family Protocol edition #1. We now have the second edition ready, Family Protocol edition #2. And as part of my presentation today for the annual meeting of the Bridge Alliance, I will be talking about EB-5. If you have 1.8 million and want to generate 10 jobs in the United States, you will get a green card within 24 months. This is a nutshell of the EB-5. If you have an interest to legally enter the United States and get a permanent residency allowance known as Lawful Permanent Resident, LPR, or commonly known as green card, reach out, identify your opportunities, and invest it. If you don't have that much money, I have good news for you, because if you have only half of that, which is $900,000, and you don't mind to be out in the boonies, in the countryside, then you can invest less, but you have to be in the countryside. Whatever your decision is, at the end, you need to generate 10 jobs. EB-5 is the name of the game, and it is not a new first name.